Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix USB drive not showing up on this PC or as some say, my computer on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just make sure your USB drive is properly plugged into your computer. And after that, just go to your Start, right click on it, and just go to Device Manager. Then just expand Device Manager. From here, you're gonna find all the parts and their drivers. Just go to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, which is the USB controllers, and expand this. From here, you're gonna find a lot of things, and if you find one with the alert icon, that means that's the issue. For example, I don't have it here right now. Let's say this was the alert icon. Let's say this was my problem, so I would have just click on it and right click on it, then just click on Update Driver. Then just click on Search automatically for drivers and it will update your drivers. It says the best drivers for your device are already installed, so I'll just click on Close. Then right click on it again and click on Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then just select the directory and click on Next. It will scan your PC for drivers and install them for you. Then just click on Close. Then close this as well. Then just go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. And that is how to fix USB drive not showing up in this PC or my computer on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.